This week we camped Black River Campground, which is located inside the Peggs Beach Conservation Area on the northwest coast of Tasmania. This campground has large campsites suitable for all types of camping setups. Camp fees do apply and the maximum stay is 1 month. Generators can be used from 10 AM to 8 PM only. Wood collection is prohibited, but there are fireplaces so you can bring your own wood. Dogs are permitted, but they must be kept under control at all times.
Hey guys, so we've just turned up at Black River, which is a campsite on the northwest coast of Tassie. It's about 15 minutes drive from Stanley, and we are just about to set up the van. So hopefully you can see us and it's not too dark. It's about 5 o'clock here at the moment, so the sun has set now. So yeah, we'll set up and hopefully you can see. Bye.
Long drop toilet facilities are available at Black River Campground. However, there's no power or water, so you do need to be self-sufficient. Rubbish collection is not available at this campsite, so just make sure that you take out what you bring in. Camping fees are $13 a night for 2 adults. Kids stay free, and it is an honesty box system, so just make sure that you bring cash with you.
Cars.
And now here's the beach, guys. Yep,
Tide's out.
the tide is out.
So behind me here is the nut, which is at Stanley. The nut was discovered in 1798 by Bass and Flinders. Geological experts think that it is the stump of an old volcano. So it rises 143 metres up from ground to a flattish top, and you can actually walk up it. You can get a chairlift as well. It's quite steep to walk up. We've done it before. Probably wouldn't recommend it with little kids because you will be carrying them most of the way. When you get up there, you can walk around the top of it. Really good views, and there is mutton birds that breed up there too, so you have to stick to the track as well. So yeah, Stanley is around 173 k's from Devonport and about 213 k's from Launceston, to give you a bit of an idea. It's the last largest town on the northwest coast before you head down the west coast. So you're best to do like most of your shopping and get your fuel and stuff at Stanley if you can before heading into the west. It's quite a historical town, and it is a fishing town. You can fish off the jetty there. There's a big wharf and it's a pretty good spot for fishing.
Maybe there's wallabies down here, Lily?
There could be caterpillars. That's
No
right.
horses.
Well done. Dip Falls is located inside the Dip River Forest Reserve. From the car park, there are 2 different trails that you can take that both offer spectacular views of the waterfall. It's only a short drive off the Bass Highway and the road is mostly sealed with only the last few kilometres that are unsealed. There's toilets at the top of the car park and there's also barbecues available. A short drive down the road will take you to the big tree, which you can also look at.